Welcome back. We will now continue putting the pieces together and hopefully have most of the chassis completed by the end of this video. Now we have to cut out pieces and join these two parts together to make the body. So we need a box that's a hole. We need to resize it just a little bit so it's outside. Click on the top view, push it out to there. Now we need to move it back so that it's, nope, not that one, the box itself. Here we are. There, the line's up right there. Okay, now the back view. Not too bad. See, this portion of the car, this part, will be deleted. So, since this is already selected, we shift click this part and group the two shapes together. And there, it's gone. Now we move this object into place. Again, we look in side view. We need to align this with this. But before we do that, I just want to make sure that this is big enough. So let's make it a little bit wider there, a little bit wider. Let's go 50. That sounds like a nice round number. Now we align it with this one. Shift click. Remember the alignment tool? We only want the middle aligned. That's it. Click out and let's see what happens. Now this should be aligned to this. Check. Yes. If not, click it again. Actually, I'll select this one as well. All three. Just in case. There we are. Now, this will be a little smaller. So, there. Now just grab the Z-axis arrow and bring it up. See where this little intersection is? Just cover it. There. Now we made a cockpit. Another box, empty, hollow, about there. So this edge lines up with that edge. Pull it up a bit. There. It's in the body of the car. I'm going to cut a hole into the car for the cockpit, the seat. And this will also cut this red part. So we need to select the empty box, this and that part. Three shapes. The hole, the front part of the car, and this wing. Let's see what happens. There. See? Nicely done. Now this was not aligned to that. So just hit Ctrl Z or Command Z. Look on the top view. See, this little edge is thicker than that edge. So it's just like the box. Use your arrow key. That's perfect. Now we do it again. Select the front, the side, cut. There we are. Now it's nice and smooth. Okay, let's put the seats. It's a box. Make it rounded. Of course it's going to be flat. Let's give it a different color. Looks good. Move it into place. Should be in there somewhere. Bring it up so you can see it. Oh, it's way over there. That's the problem with 3D. There we are. Is it here now? Yes, there it is. Now let me just get into place. There. There we go. Make it a little bit bigger this way. So there. Not too bad. Make it bigger. You don't have to align, just make it bigger so it hides. There we are. Now we're going to duplicate this and put the backrest. Command D. Spin them around this axis 90 degrees. Oh, push it back. A little bit too big. Up a bit. Yeah, just for the contours. A little too big. Okay, you can do a little fine tuning yourself. Maybe change the color. Doesn't look too good. That's this pink color. Brown maybe? Yeah, that's better. So let's go with a brown color. That's that for now. I like to keep these videos short simply because YouTube has a limit on time, and also I don't really want to put too much pressure on you working on these things. Okay, if you want to see it a little thicker, that'd be nice. So you can do your fine-tuning your car. All right, bye for now.